Here I have DOOGEE S95, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, let's open settings, then go to the system section and then to the backup. Then you have to tap add account. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add this account and enable this feature. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Okay, so I know that it won't work, so you just have to quit it, go to the system, and as you can see, when you enter it once again, you can turn on this feature here, and your device will be ready to the backup. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.